Hi, I'm Laura Thompson from PMMI, and here are this year's finalists for the Sustainability category in the Technology Excellence Awards at PACK EXPO Las Vegas 2025. Finalist number 1 is Z-Cycle by ZERUST and RecycleMax, a game-changing closed-loop recycling program for industrial packaging. Z-Cycle collects used VCI packaging and LDPE films, turning the materials into new corrosion-inhibiting packaging, cutting plastic waste and carbon emissions. Every 1,000 pounds recycled offsets nearly 1,500 pounds of greenhouse gases. Plus, with RecycleMax's real-time tracking, customers get clear, measurable sustainability results. Finalist number 2, machine stretch film with 30% PCR content by Trioworld is raising the bar in sustainable packaging with high-performance stretch films that are thinner, stronger, and include 30% post-consumer recycled content, all without added costs. Their circular system features a baled film collection program that recycles used films into new, high-quality materials, closing the loop on plastic waste. Backed by an EcoVadis Platinum rating, Trioworld helps brands cut plastic use and slash CO2 emissions by up to 50%. Finalist number 3, Meet Comprex, a game-changing sustainable clean-in-place technology by Floco Process. Using patented pulsed air and minimal water, it cleans pipelines and equipment with up to 90% less water than traditional methods, while delivering cleaning forces 100 times stronger than a standard flush. It cuts harsh chemicals, reduces downtime, and extends equipment life. Comprex technology saves water, energy, and cost, setting a new benchmark for efficient, chemical-free cleaning. Voting begins online a week before the show, from September 22nd through noon on Tuesday, September 30th. You can vote online, on-site, or in the show mobile app. Winners will be announced in the afternoon on Tuesday, September 30th. For a complete description of the finalist technologies, visit the Technology Excellence Awards page at packexpolasvegas.com. Don't forget to register for the show so that you can see these innovations live on the show floor. See you in Vegas.